Real briefly, I'm operating at about 20% libido and sex drive because of sexual favors and meeting the people that do them and seeing women being used, like prostitutes. To make a long story short, there are millions and millions more prostitutes than you think there are, and most of them are in secret societies. And it's so disgusting to see, cops doing favors for my enemies sexually, helping them smuggle in drugs, giving them guns. I'm so sick of that, them and their family members, they hook them up with their family members too, because it's more plausible deniability, especially at times their families have tend to be threatened by gangs to help them smuggle in drugs. I mean, for so many reasons, I'm right. Look, women, just stay the fuck away from me. We are not friends.